back to my channel. This is Sahi. In this episode, I came up with one more new subscription box in town and first on YouTube. And I'm so happy this time because this is one more jewelry subscription box. Yes, and it is named the Kitty's Trinket Box. And this is for August. And also you can book now. It is open throughout the August. And this is the festive edition box. The festivals are, yes, they are coming up and it is celebrations time, and we always feel like what to wear on this traditional outfit and all, because we girls mostly collect junk jewelry and everything. Yes, I do understand. And now the problem is solved because we got festive edition box from Kitty's Trinket Box. And now let me open and show you what are there inside. So this box came in this white carton box, and here we go. We got this transparent box here, plastic transparent box, and the first thing is here there is an info card. So let me open this and see. Okay, look at this card. So the card reads the Kitty's Trinket Box Festival Edition 1. Yes, there are two editions of this festival edition of Kitty Trinkets box. So this is first edition box. Let me see what are there. So the card reads, Dear Sahiji, enjoy festive and wedding season with these hand-picked jewelries. Okay, we got total 5 products. One is the bonus product. If you book it soon, the first 10 of you will get bonus product. I'll be showing everything. The first thing is the golden necklace, which costs us 1,099 bucks. And here we go. Let me open this. Okay, look at this. So this is a golden necklace. So it will be going well on sari or any traditional outfit. So really, oh my god, look at this. Oh, it's really given a better look. Wow, I feel like wearing a traditional outfit now. Oh god, it's really bring a lot of charm onto my face. I really like this first product. So this necklace is, the quality is so good. You can see the quality even backside and all. You know, the quality is so good. It's so marvelous, and I like this first one. And you know, this is not simply a necklace. We got even earrings for this necklace. That means we got a set. So let me open this. So definitely I'll be wearing just now. So here we go. Oh my god, these are so gorgeous. Beautiful earrings. And not just earrings, even it has one more thing. Oh, the Mang Tilak. Look at this. So total set you have received in this. So let me quickly put this all on and let me show you my face to you. So guys, look at this. It's really given so charm. Really, entire set you got it in this box, and this entire golden necklace they have written, but entire golden necklace set cost 1,099 bucks. The prices are so genuine. I have to admit this. And it's really so good. I feel like wearing traditional outfit now itself, really. Oh my god, I'm loving myself. Look at this look. Oh god. Am I just looking gorgeous? Please let me know in the comment section down below, please. And no, please don't ask me to remove. I'm not going to remove this. Let me wear all this. And the second one is the pearl necklace. According to this card, the second one reads pearl necklace, which costs 359 bucks. And here we go. So every jewelry is packed in separate cover here. And we got even earrings with this pearl necklace. So here we go. This is a pearl necklace. So it will be going well on, you know, simple traditional outfit and on any daily wear also. If you are daily wearing any, you know, kurtas or something like that, on kurtas also it will be going well. So I'm not putting, I'm just adjusting to show you. And here we go. The earrings, the matching earrings were given here. So look at this, this is how it looks. So this is the second one in this box. And moving on to the third product. The third product came in this mesh bag, and this is a pair of earrings. and this cost fine 19 bucks. And let me show you what exactly are they. Oh God, one more gorgeous pair of earrings. Oh my goodness, look at this, so beautiful. Look at this. So it will suit on any color because it got this golden kundams and white pearls. So definitely it will suit on any kind of outfit, any traditional outfit. It will go very well. Even on saris it goes really very well. Look at this. So, oh my goodness, it's so good, and I'm not going to remove, so I'm not going to wear this and show you, but I really like this even. Definitely in next video of mine, I'll be wearing this pair of earrings. So this is our third product in this box, and moving on to the fourth one. The fourth one is a bracelet, and we received the bracelet in this mesh bag. And here we go. Oh God, this is so nice even. So this is all white stones bracelet, and it costs just $149. Guys, believe me, the prices are so genuinely mentioned, and it is like a cuff bracelet, so it can be worn of any hand size because it is adjustable. You can see this is how it looks on my hand, but definitely I'm not going to wear on this because it will not complement, and I don't want to degrade this. So but I like this. I know you can wear on any other outfit. I really like this. And this is just $149. The prices are so genuine. And so these are the products which you will get. The 4 products. One is the necklace set. The other one is this pearl set, the pearl necklace which I already shown you. And the third one is this earring pair. And the fourth one is this bracelet. And apart from these, if you subscribe this and if you are one of the 10 members whom they have received the orders from, you will be getting these bonus earrings. Yes, and now let me show you. One has been removed into this mesh bag. So, oh God, this is really gorgeous. They are a pair of crystal earrings. Look at this. So definitely you will love them. Definitely you can wear on any of the traditional or semi-traditional or even western outfit. It will go well with any western outfit, and it's really so nice. So these cost $199. That is what the info card reads. Guys, truly I fell in love with this box. Definitely I'll be purchasing this box every month. I love this. I really did. And I really do want to have this more. And the first 2 edition one is so cool. And guys, not only that, we also have here some advice from her. So she has given some instructions how to save these. So follow these steps to prolong your jewelry life. Do not spray perfume or deo on it. Store it in a plastic or paper bag, not in jewelry velvet box. Any sweat or moisture should be wiped off properly before storing it. So follow these rules and make your jewelry last long. And the beautiful lady Kanchan is really so friendly and help you get all the answers for your questions. And do you order your box here? You can order through WhatsApp, or you can message them on Instagram, or even mail them. Right guys, this is all on my review about this new subscription box, the Kitty's Trinket box. Hope you like this review of first edition. And if you really did, please hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And see you in my next episode. Lots of love. Adios.